Hello, so what if I tell you that it will take you only the shortest time possible to work out this maths problem? Yes, you heard me right. So come with me so that I work out with showing you the trick within the shortest time possible. So let's now start with our solution. So now we have 8 to the power of a is equals to 800. So we are asked to find the value for a. So that is what we are looking at. So the best way, let's introduce the log from both sides. So here now we shall have the log of 8 to the power of a is equals to the log of 800. So assuming we have the log of p to the power of k, so this one can also be written as k, the log of k, the log of p. So then now we shall say that our log of 8 to the power of a can also be written as a, the log of 8. That is equals to the log of 800. So from there now we shall divide by the log of 8. So here now the log of 8. Log 8 and log 8 shall cancel. So now our a is equals to the log of 800 all over the log of 8. So now we shall not stop there, but now we shall again proceed and factorize log 800 all over the log of 8. So how do we do that? So this one is how we work it out. So now a is equals to, so the log of 800 can also be written as the log of 8 multiplied by 100, then all over the log of 8. So let's now split the equation by now opening the bracket. So when you open the bracket, we shall now introduce an addition sign. So here now we shall have a is equals to the log of 8 plus the log of 100 all over the log of 8. So let's now divide both sides by the log of 8. A is equals to log 8 all over the log of 8, then plus the log of 100 all over the log of 8. So log 8 and log 8 shall cancel. So when it cancel now, it shall remain with 1. So the value for a is equals to 1 plus the log of 100 all over the log of 8. So let's now simplify this within the shortest time. So now we can conclude it by saying that. So now we shall say that our value for a is equals to 1 plus. So when you factorize the log of 100, we shall have the log of, that is the log of 4 multiplied by 25. Then all over, so the log of 8, we shall now have the log of 8. So we shall still have the log of 8 because we are dividing both sides by the log of 8. So our value for a is equals to 1 plus, so let's now split it by now having the log of 4 plus the log of 25. Then all of them shall be divided by the log of 8. Then here also by the log of 8. So next we shall factorize further by having a is equals to 1 plus. So the log of 4 can also be written as the log of 2 to the power of 2. Then all over the log of 8 can also be written as the log of 2 to the power of 3. So why am I saying that? Because now 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 shall give us 8. Then also plus, so the log of 25 can also be written as 5 to the power of 2 all over the log of 2 to the power of 3. Okay, so we shall now move to the next, where now our a is equals to, so 1 plus, so the log of 2 to the power of 2 can also be written as 2, the log of 2, then all over, so this one we can write as 3, the log of 2 there, then plus, so we shall now have 2, the log of 5, all over 3, the log of 2, so 3, the log of 2. So here now we shall now having as a is equals to 1 plus, so log 2 and log 2 shall cancel, so now we shall have 1 plus 2 over 3, then plus here now we shall have 2 over 3, the log of 5 to the base of 2. So now this one now qualifies to be our correct and final answer to that maths problem. So let's now confirm it very fast and check how true is it. So initially our question was 8 to the power of a is equals to 800. So here now we shall pick it as now 8 to the power of 1, then plus 2 over 3, plus again 2 over 3, the log of 5 to the base of 2 is equals to 800. So let's now check if it brings that one. So if we can write it now, we can now have 8 to the power of 1, we can have it as 8. So that is 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 1. So the plus means multiplication. Then we shall also have 2 to the power of 3. Then to the power of 2 over 3. Then the multiplication again. So 2 to the power of 3. We shall still have it as to the power of 2 over 3. Then we shall also have the log of 5 to the base of 2 is equals to 800. So let's now work it out within the shortest time possible. So here now we shall say that 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by to the power of 1. So this one now shall have our 8 there. Then multiply by. So let's now check on this other part. So here now shall have 2 to the power of 3. So we shall have it as now 4. So multiply by. So all of this now shall be 4. So now shall have the 4 to the log of 5 to the base of 2 is equals to 800. So next now we shall say that, so we shall now have 4, or we shall now have 8 multiplied by 16. Then because okay, so 8 multiplied by, so multiply by 4, not 16. Then also multiply by. So here the log to the base of 2 shall cancel with this 2. So now we shall have 5 to the power of 2. So 5 to the power of 2 is equals to 800. So here now we shall now say that now we shall have 8 multiplied by 4, then multiplied by 5 to the power of 2 is 25 is equals to 800. So 8 times 4 is 32. So 8 times 4 is 32 multiplied by 25. Or we can as well say that this one is 4 times 25 is 100. Then 100 multiplied by 8 instead of writing 32. 100 multiplied by 8, that is equals to 800. So our answer is 800 is equals to 800. So means that our answer is very correct.